Hi, boys and girls. It is now time to get ready for your social studies lesson. You are going to see some pictures. When you look at each picture, I want you to think, what do you notice? And what do you wonder about the pictures that you are about to see? Here is our first picture. What do you notice about this picture? And what do you wonder? I notice that George Washington is on the quarter. What do you notice about this picture? And what do you wonder? I wonder why Abraham Lincoln is on the $5 bill. What do you notice about this picture? And what do you wonder? I wonder why George Washington is on the $1 bill. What do you notice about this picture? And what do you wonder? I wonder why are we looking at a picture of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.? We have one more. What do you notice about this picture? And what do you wonder? Well, I wonder why is Abraham Lincoln on a penny and on the $5 bill? Taking a look at this picture, we just saw this picture as part of our group pictures. This is asking us who is on the dollar bill. You're right. George Washington is on the dollar bill. Awesome job. Why do you think his picture is on the dollar bill? Well, I know. George Washington was a president. So we see his face on the $1 bill because he was a president. Let's take a look at what we are going to learn today for social studies. We will examine the contributions of people past and present in order to describe why the United States honors different individuals through various holidays. So let's take a look. What are we going to be learning about today in social studies? Well, today we will learn the contributions of people past and present. Okay, so contributions is a big word because contributions is telling us something that people did that makes them very important. Okay, so that's what we're learning today. Let's think about how are we going to learn this? How are we going to learn about the contributions of people past, so people who lived a long time ago, and people who are around now? Well, we are going to learn about that by describing why the United States honors different individuals through various holidays, okay? Now let's think about it. Well, why do you think we are going to learn about this? This is very important because I'm going to get my blue marker. This is important because when we learn about all of this, we will know, okay, the different individuals we celebrate through various holidays. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, you can listen along to this story, or you can go to the President's Day video that is located in your social studies folder on Schoology. Okay? President's Day is a national holiday. It's a time to honor U.S. presidents and the work they've done. President's Day is on the third Monday of February. So every February, we celebrate President's Day. President's Day began as two holidays. The first holiday celebrated George Washington's birthday. Right here. His birthday is actually on February 22nd. The second holiday celebrated the birthday of Abraham Lincoln. Both men were brave presidents. Abraham Lincoln's birthday is celebrated on February 12th. Both George Washington and Abraham Lincoln were brave presidents. George Washington was a strong leader during the Revolutionary War. There he is. He became the first president of the United States. Abraham Lincoln kept the country together during the Civil War. And then here's Abraham Lincoln during the Civil War. Some people celebrate President's Day by visiting a president's monument, just like this one. Others listen to presidents' famous speeches. Some people even dress up like their favorite president. You might see some people dress up as one of our presidents of the United States right here. Why do we celebrate George Washington and Abraham Lincoln? Both George Washington and Abraham Lincoln were presidents, but they were brave presidents. So both George Washington and Abraham Lincoln did many things for our country years ago. Okay, they were very brave and kept everything calm and safe during the Revolutionary War and the Civil War. Other facts about President's Day. We celebrate President's Day in February. Every year, we celebrate President's Day in February. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, next what you are going to do is you are going to watch the video about Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. on the video located in your Schoology folder. When you are done watching the video, then you can go and look in your social studies packet at the pages listed in this week's schedule. They will look like this. The very first thing that you will have to do is you will have to draw a picture of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. So after watching the video, draw a picture of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Remember, you can have mommies and daddies take a picture of your work and send it to your teachers, email, or through our classroom communication app. The next thing that you will have to do in your social studies packet is you need to think, why do we honor Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.? What did Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. do in our world to make things better? Okay, so you need to think, what contributions did Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. do that made things different? Okay, how would you make the world a better place if you were Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.? So what contributions would you as a student make in this world to keep everything a better place? All right, boys and girls, have fun watching Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. video and doing your work. You rock! Keep it up, friends!